Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about which is better for marketing, Telegram groups or channels. Let's get started. You can market your brand on Telegram. It can help your brand reach more audiences, boost your sales, and help your customers by providing good customer service. You can use Telegram groups and Telegram channels to promote your brand on the platform. Telegram groups help you interact with customers directly. You can create a group for your customers and you can easily communicate with the group members. The members can interact with one another inside the group. If you don't want your group to have random people who can spam your group, you can set up a private group for your customers. Telegram channels allow you to share messages or media files with the public. This is great for promoting content, sharing announcements, or website links. Subscribers or non-subscribers will be able to see the content shared on your Telegram channel. You cannot receive user engagement on channels. Your subscribers or channel viewers can learn about your product promotions as they click on the content that you share on your channel. Telegram groups can have up to 200,000 members. This is also useful for sharing product promotions for your business. The members that join your group are interested in the topic of discussion of the Telegram group. You don't have to worry about creating another group to accommodate more group members. There's no limit to the number of subscribers in the channel. As you keep on promoting your business on other social media accounts that your business owns, you can share your Telegram channel as well. This way, you can attract more subscribers to join your Telegram channel. As you keep on creating content, your followers will be aware that you have a Telegram channel. They can look for your channel on Telegram and decide to subscribe to your channel. You can advertise on your Telegram channel. Your subscribers are already interested in the topic that you share on your channel, and these subscribers are more likely to convert into customers. You can use polls on both Telegram groups and channel. Having polls on Telegram groups can help your business in gathering opinions from potential customers or existing customers. You can gather more data using polls on your Telegram group, especially if you have tons of group members who are your customers or they are your target market, and the group members can discuss the poll as well. Having polls on Telegram channels can also help your business in gathering data for new and existing subscribers. But Telegram groups can help your polls gather opinions that support the poll, such as their reason as to why your customers or group members prefer the option that they have chosen. Telegram groups are great for gathering a group of like-minded people who are interested in your brand. If you want to build relationships with your customers, it is best to create a private group for your loyal customers. You can update them with the latest promotions and boost your sales. They can be the first to learn about your upcoming promotions, and you can offer them a discount. Telegram channels are great for creating brand awareness. You won't be able to expect engagement in the channel since the creator of the channel or the admins can share a message on the channel. It can also be a great marketing tool to advertise your products. Channels allow you to share direct links to your website, and you can use your channel to redirect people to a landing page or a sales page, and it can help you increase your sales. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using PostInfluence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. PostInfluence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try PostInfluence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.